Okay, so I know that we had closed up, but we did give you a promise of a bonus. So this is what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and go back to the prompt. Again, I told you we might bomb this, but we definitely want to see what happens. So let's go hit back and see if we can't get to
we do a web page, you think?
A web page. That is what we asked for it to do. So we might have to go back one more step and see if it allows for us to do that. We hit back. Maybe not. I said it might bomb. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and highlight everything just to make sure I don't screw this completely up. Let's hit continue and see if it gives us, I think it's just going to give us a whole nother set. Yeah. So that's not what we wanted. So we're going to go ahead and hit back. Like I said, I haven't done this portion of it before, but always trying to learn and grow with this thing. So what we're going to do is get back, if it lets me, maybe our little heads are in the way. Oh, here we go. There format. Sorry about that.
Our big Kanagin.
Our big heads are in the way. There it is. All right. Sorry about that. We're going to go ahead and hit web page.
Never done this before.
It's all new to us. So we're going to explore this together. Let's hit web page and see what happens. I have no idea if it needs cards or no cards. So we're just going to push the button, see what happens. We're going to stay in the same theme. I don't see how this is a web page, but
it's okay.
I might have to start all over, and that's okay if I do. But let's see what happens.
Looks like a web page to me.
Looks like a web page to me. Now
that is cool, man.
Awesome.
I just built your web page.
I just built your web page.
It's a little crazy there.
All right. Now, that's exciting. And I like the colors. I know the other one was yellow, but we let it revert back to where it was before in colors. So, and I know we changed the colors around a couple of times, but I like this. This is nice. We did say 10. It might be a little long for a web page.
It's actually doing 10 pages.
But it is pulling in information.
There you go. Look at that. Celebrating the journey to wellness.
Yeah. Small pages. You can always delete. You can change your header. I mean, you can turn things around. That's pretty nice for being, and then you can publish it. Your site is ready to
be published.
Wow. That means we're going live. Okay, so I think we should try and publish.
We don't even have
I have no idea, but we did say a bonus, and we said we would test it out. So we're going to just test it out. Let's see what happens. All right, I'm hitting publish. I'm going for it. Wild and crazy, kids. Wild and crazy. All right, let's visit the site. There you go. It's a website. It's a scrolly website. There you go.
Dude.
And you can add links. You could add your social media to this. You got something that you want people to download. You need help getting traffic. You need help getting your audience. You can create a call to action. Join us here.
It's right there at the top. Join the journey. Look at that.
All right.
Click it.
I didn't set it up. Set it up. So I did just push a button.
This is cool.
But that is pretty darn awesome, if I say so. Let's see what these little buttons do. All right. Fantastic. What does this do? Oh, look, a link.
That's your link. So you can go to your website.
Oh, this is awesome. So again, this was a bonus. And this is something that you can do right away. And look how fast that was made. Add your links, add your offers, give free PDFs, get your traffic, get them in there.
Ebook.
Get ebook. Yeah,
the ebook on here.
Give your free.
Give a free ebook.
You want to learn more about how to develop your business using the modern day tools and resources like we've been showing you? Join us in our school group. Again, this was just a quick bonus for you. You want to learn more, you have more questions, reach out to us. We're more than happy to show you how.
Yeah, and you guys smash the like button on down there. Hit the smash button. And then let us know down below what you want us to do next for you guys. We always like to engage with our beautiful viewers.
Tell us what we're doing wrong, what you love, what you don't. Be kind. But we're more than happy to grow with you, and we want you to grow with us during our journey of helping you out along the way. All right. Well, here's cheers to you again, and we look forward to talking and seeing you again soon.
Thank you for joining us at Coffee
Sometimes Tea.